A swimming pool with length 30 meters and width 12 meters is 4 meters deep at one end and 1 meter deep at the other end. Find the volume of water that will fill it completely. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and then after that we will pick the correct option. The question tells us that we have this swimming pool that has a length of 30 meters and a width of 12 meters. It is 4 meters deep at one end and 1 meter deep at another end. Let's assume that this is the swimming pool. So we know that the length of the swimming pool is 30 meters. So from this point to this point is 30 meters. The width of the pool is 12 meters. So from this point to this point is 12 meters. It is 4 meters deep at one end. So the length from here to here is 4 meters. And it is 1 meter deep at the other end. So it means that from here to here is 1 meter. Now these are the dimensions of the swimming pool. The question wants us to find the volume of water that will fill the pool completely. This shape here is called a trapezoidal prism. And to get its volume, we will have to find the area of the trapezoidal face and multiply it by the width. This is the trapezoidal face. This face of the prism is the trapezoidal face. It forms a trapezium. I'll draw it here so that you can see it. So we have this side, and then so these two are the parallel sides. Then we have the two other sides here. We have the 1 meter side here. Here will be 4 meters, and here is 30 meters. This is the trapezoidal face, as you can see here. As I've already said, to get the volume of this shape, we will have to find the area of the trapezoidal face and multiply it by the width, which is 12 meters. We know that the area of a trapezium is given by half times the sum of the parallel sides times the height. Here, the length of the parallel sides are 1 meter and 4 meters, and the height is 30 meters. So the area of the trapezoidal face will be equal to half times the sum of the parallel sides, which is 1 meter plus 4 meters, times the height, which is 30 meters. And then to get the volume, we will multiply it by the width, which is 12 meters. And this will give us 900 meters cube. So what it means is that when we fill this pool completely with water, the volume of water that will occupy it will be 900 meters cubed. When we look through the options here, the correct option will be option C.